Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to cancel an event on Eventbrite. So if you wish to cancel the event that you've already set in your Evenbrite account, then you'll have to follow the simple steps. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and along with that, you need to go ahead and log in into your Evenbrite account. When you're logged in, you can go to the event section from the left hand side bar, and when you press on the event, then it's going to show you the list of event or the upcoming events. So if you wish to cancel or delete a specific event, then you could go ahead and tap the three dot icon next to it, and then you could go ahead and tap on delete. When you do this, there will be some sort of confirmation as, are you sure you want to delete this event? This can be undo, which means that once you delete the event, it cannot be recovered. So if you're sure about it, press the OK button, and then the event will be cancelled or deleted. And likewise, if you had already collected the ticket price and all that, then you could go ahead and refund the amount. And that's basically how you can delete or cancel an event on Eventbrite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.